Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. Switching to a private account helps protect your content and control who can see your posts and stories. So, let's get started on how to make your Instagram account private. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the account privacy option. In the account privacy section, you will see the private account option. To make your account private, simply tap on the toggle switch next to it. Finally, a confirmation message will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the switch to private to complete the process. And this is how you can make your Instagram account private. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.